Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Xbox app error 0x80073cfb, where the app is not working. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in PowerShell, click run as admin, and you want to paste this. I'll link it down in the description, and you simply press enter and it will delete the gaming services. Now all you have to do is click download and yes, and it will download and install the gaming services again. And after it's done installing, if you're unable to open it, restart your PC and it should work fine. So you can exit out of this shell. After that is done, you want to go to search, type in Xbox, and the app should work properly. If it doesn't work, just restart your PC and it should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Xbox app not updating error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.